In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export in 4K in DaVinci Resolve. If you want your finished video to look as sharp and detailed as possible, exporting in 4K is a great option. The good news is that DaVinci Resolve makes this process very straightforward once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go and what setting to change so your export is set to 4K. To begin, look at the bottom area of DaVinci Resolve where you can switch between the different pages of the program. This is where you move between sections like editing, color, and delivery. From there, click on the Deliver section. This page is where you prepare your project for export, so anytime you're ready to create a final video file, this is the place you'll need to use. Once you're in the Deliver page, direct your attention to the Export Settings area. Here you'll find different tabs and options that control how your video will be rendered. Go ahead and click on the Video tab. This tab contains the main visual export settings, including the resolution, which determines the final size and clarity of your video. After opening the Video tab, look for the Resolution option. This is the setting that lets you choose the dimensions of your exported file. Click on it to open the list of available resolutions. From that list, find and select the 4K resolution. In most cases, this will appear as Ultra HD, which is 3840 by 2160, or another 4K option depending on your project settings. Choosing this tells DaVinci Resolve to export your video at a much higher resolution than standard HD. Once that's selected, your project is now set up to export in 4K. It's always a good idea to quickly double-check that the correct resolution is showing before you continue with the rest of your export process. That simple check can help you avoid rendering the whole video at the wrong size, and that's it. To export in 4K in DaVinci Resolve, go to the Deliver section, open the Video tab, find the resolution setting, and choose the 4K option. It only takes a moment, but it can make a big difference in the final quality of your video.